This 2024 Keystone Bullet 1900 Road is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features air conditioning, smoke detector, LP detector, refrigerator, water heater, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Bullet 1900 Road is 3,510 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.